Tingin sa camera. Tingin sa camera. Okay, this is a case of alternating
Oo, parehas daw mo.
isotropia, no?
Pasok.
Alternating meaning lumilipat-lipat, pero ang may fixating eye, preferred eye niya is the left eye, no? So pag-cover ko dito, yan, pumapasok yung right eye, pero pag kinover ko yung left eye, nag-straight yung right eye. So tapos ito naman, nag-straight naman yung, at kinover ko yung right, nag-straight naman yung left. So alternating meaning palipat-lipat yung eye deviation niya. Gumalaw muna, straight. So yan, pero kahit alternating, may preferred eye siya, meaning preferred eye na to fixate or fixating eye. Yan, look straight. So ang preferred eye niya or lagi niyang naka-straight is yung left eye. No, pumapasok din siya pero mainly ito yung laging nagpo-focus, ito yung laging nakapasok, yung right. Okay, straight ulit, tingin ulit. Yan. Yan, fixating eye or left eye. Ito yung deviated eye, yung right. Pero pag tinakpan ko yung left, nag-straight siya. So, alternating isotropia. So, iso meaning pagpasok ng mata, tropia, lihis, nakalihis na papasok.